Alright everyone, the time has come. In today's update video, I'm going to show you why 120k is my target. That's it. It's 120. I'm going to show you why. I'm going to show you how we're getting there. I got this diagonal here for you, but one of two ways. I'm going to map out this other structure for you here as well. More vertical structure getting up to 120. I'm going to show you why I think that, guys. I'm long for it. As you can see, long over on Blowfin. About 12k in profit over there. BitUnix still in my Solana trade. Took some profit. Up about 6k in total on that. And we're chilling. We're chilling. If you guys have been watching this channel, you know I've been bullish. Got a lot of hate for it, honestly. And we'll see. It's looking good right now. Before we get started, drop a follow over on X. What I'm going over here today, I did post over on X. If you want just a quick little picture and explanation, drop a follow over there. Much more coming. That's pinned in the first comment down below at Alex Chart Junkie with no S. See you guys over there. Let's tackle the 120k target real quick. Couple reasons why I'm targeting 120k on BTC. We're also going to go over S&P, guys. Sorry, we'll go over S&P as well. I know a lot of people are very bearish regular markets. I get it, but I'm bullish for one more hit to the high. We'll go over that in 1 second. So 120. Why is that my target? Well, how I'm looking at this is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is finished, coming up for 5. There's interpretations that can say, hey, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5's finished right there. We're starting bear market, Alex. I get it, dude. I really do. I hear you. If that happens, all right, we'll go from there. But I'm looking for one more hit to the high. Now, how I get this 120, couple things. What I like to do is measure, take my fib extension of my one wave, the entire one wave. I got the 3618 fib extension right here, right up around 120. Data point number 1. It's a good target. For one more hit. Number 2, I do not see a blow off top coming. I don't see it. I want just basically another liquidity sweep of the highs for this wave 5. And a popular length of a wave 5 is either the length of wave 1. Obviously, a move up to all-time high would be bigger than that. Another popular length is if you pull fib retracement from the start of your wave all the way to wave 3. Because remember, we got 1, 2, 3. This is 4 coming up for 5. And this is just my interpretation, guys. It's just my opinion. If we take the measurement down to the 618, very popular length for your wave 5 is the 618 of your start of your wave to the end of your 3. As you can see, that comes up to right around 120 as well, 120, 125, somewhere in there. Not trying to pixel it perfectly. Looks good. As we zoom out, you can see the developed structure, and it has that finished look to it. There's ways to say we're finished there. I disagree right now, but looking for one more hit. Do we come up in this ending diagonal, which I'm going to go over, or do we come up in a more vertical way, which I'm going to go over as well? Also, we're hitting S&P, guys. Watch this video all the way through. Trust me. If you've been watching these videos, hopefully you're along with me. I do post all my trades over in Discord, guys. I posted these swing trades. Here's the BTC trade. This was posted on the 13th, 6 days ago. Here's my Solana trade. I post all my trades over in Discord. Scalp alerts, much more is included. It's pinned in the first comment down below if you want to give premium Discord a try. Got code $20 off your first month with code 20 off. Running that for a couple more days if you want to come over and play with us. Let's go. Now, let's look at this ending diagonal structure. I think it's going to be, it would be great to absolutely troll people up at these highs. Ending diagonal would do that. We're looking for corrective moves the entire wave up. This wave 3 would just sweep the high, look like we're dumping after a swing fail, and then come up and take it again. It's just the perfect structure. The way this wave is looking down in here, it's looking more like a corrective look. The impulse to the upside is not ruled out of the equation, but it is looking more corrective to me with how long this extended in time. One more thing to note, guys, if we're looking at the RSI, look at all of this room to run to the upside on daily RSI. We got a nice curvature on daily momentum, and we are breaking out of this daily RSI trend line. If we get a close where we're at now, we have broken out. Basically, we're there. Again, it's a good starting point. I'm not saying it's the end all be all. Probably going to get a retest and then continuation, so that would give more credence to the retest and then continuation, ending diagonal. But I like it. Weekly, we got room to come up. One more high. Let's look at the more impulsive structure to the upside. Now, I'm not ruling out an absolute jam like this to the upside. I'm here for it. I'm long for it, guys, as you can see. But I will be taking a little profit on this trend line around 87K. Just being responsible if we get up there. But what we have here is essentially a 1-2 that's been put in. We're looking for a 3-4-5. And here we have a second 1-2 that's been put in. I just don't like how long this extended in time. I hope you guys can see this okay. I just don't like how long this extended in time. The first 1-2 is much shorter than the second 1-2. Usually you don't see that. Usually you see this trend line hold. We broke out of that. So there's reasons why it's not my primary, but it's up there on one of my more probable ideas. So I would be looking for 1-2, an absolute jam through this trend line, 3-4-5. There's so much liquidity above this trend line, guys. You don't need me to tell you. I'm looking to go take it. If we're looking at heat maps, and we're going to go over S&P, I'm going to show you why I think one more hit to the high is coming. Stick with me. If we're looking at heat maps, look at all this liquidity up here. Look at all this juicy liquidity up here. 110 up at all-time high. I mean, it's to the upside. This heat map right here, it's to the upside, 100K. I mean, yeah, there's some to the downside, but where's the bulk of it, right? Just another data point to go from. Just another data point. Before we hit S&P, I'm going to show you guys something to watch out for on the smaller time frames for BTC. Fully aware. Now, my entry is right here, right at this low on my long. I'm fully aware we could be putting in a flat, which is a correction down, correction up, which might be topped out, and then an impulsive wave down. I might get stopped out right here, guys. I might. Guess what? I'm going to enter again. I don't think this low is going to get broken here. I just don't. I will enter again for this wave. If we're not getting it now, I'm saying we're getting it later. You just got to keep putting yourself in good positions. Give yourself good opportunities. When that push comes, you know, they can mess around in here as long as they want, right? I don't got a crystal ball, but I got a pretty good idea of what direction we're going, you know? Let's hit S&P. Before we hit S&P, guys, my two exchanges, as you can see, is Blowfin's my main exchange. BitUnix is my secondary exchange. They're both no KYC. BitUnix has more liquidity. Blowfin is just the more seamless exchange. I put my trades in so quick. It's flawless. That's why they're my main. You sign up with your email, you're ready to trade. So easy. If you want to give them a try, pinned in the first comment down below are the links for Blowfin and BitUnix. Blowfin, we have a Chart Junkies exclusive 5K tourney for everyone who uses that link. You're already in the tourney. Come take my $5,000. Also, you got VIP 1 trading fee tiers. There's 5 more days left on that tournament, so come play with us. BitUnix, you get 10% deposit bonus plus trading volume bonuses, as well as VIP 2 reduced trading fees, 15% off their trading fees. Give them both a try. I use both exchanges. S&P 500, let's talk about it. Number one, daily RSI is so oversold, guys. We have room to come to the upside. Here's the daily. We have room to come up. Let's go. The weekly. Look at this big momentum. Big time momentum. I am not afraid to stay in S&P. I'm just not with this momentum. Until we get a final wave up that puts in some divergence. Final wave up. A nice quick little stab wave. Nice quick little stab wave. Let's put in some bearish divs. Let's, you know, if we get this wave and we don't take all-time high, we just get a correction and start pushing down, okay, then yeah, I'd say we're done as well. But I'm looking for one more sweep of the highs, if not a very healthy retrace on this. A very healthy retrace. And from an Elliott wave point of view, how I'm looking at it is I have a 1-2 here. I mean, that's just a 1-2 to me. Here's my 3. Is this 4? Is this 4 and we're coming up for 5? That would look finished. It just doesn't look finished to me. It looks like 1, 2, 3. Huh. Where's 4, 5? I just don't see it being finished yet. Looking for one more high on S&P. I can get some kind of a weird flat here. I can get some kind of a weird flat for one more spike to the highs. Correction down, correction up, impulse down. Let's go. Let's go. I understand things look bearish, and things did look bearish. You know, for retail traders, I get it. You see a big dump wave. You see support getting taken out. You see, I understand. I understand. Elliott wave kind of puts things into perspective for me, though. Got a free Elliott wave course if you're interested as well. It's pinned in the first comment down below. If you want to learn Elliott, 3-hour-long boot camp, take it for free. Come join us in Discord. Drop a follow over on X. Try out Blowfin. Try out BitUnix. Trade safe, everyone. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. It was a good day today. Love you.